We get it. It's nerve-wracking to attend your art show. In this video, we're going to give you some tips to ease those nerves and how to make the best of your show. I'm Scarlett Pons. I'm a potter and the owner of Scarlett Wares, where I design and make ceramic items for the home.
And I'm Gabriel Pons, a painter and muralist. Together we own Pawn Shop Studio. We don't buy gold or guns,
we sell art.
Through our storefront, we carry the work of emerging creatives who are embarking on their journey of working as full-time artists.
If you're an artist, maker, emerging, or aspiring artist, subscribe and hit that notification button so that you'll know when our next tip comes out to propel you on the road to becoming a full-time working artist.
And as you're watching, please let us know if you find our tips helpful. Share your stories and leave us your comments, and we will be sure to answer any questions.
Your artwork is in a show. First, congratulations for getting your artwork and yourself out there. And hopefully this is one of many shows that you will be participating in. Throughout the years, we have hosted many group art shows in our store, and the one thing we're constantly surprised by is how many artists do not attend their own show.
Yes, Scarlett, art openings are an opportunity to meet new clients, meet other artists, and take great photos. We're here to give you some easy tips to break the ice.
Let's start with attending your show is a great way to meet new clients. People often have questions about the art they're looking at, and there's no better person to answer those questions than the artists themselves. If you notice someone admiring your artwork, walk up to them and introduce yourself. A quick, "Hi, I'm the artist who made this. Thanks for admiring my work," can open the door to a meaningful conversation. Those conversations can lead to a sale, a new follower, or a friend even. This takes practice, and remember, you're not a salesperson. You don't have to act like one. You are there to have meaningful conversations, to educate the public about what you do, and often it's through those one-on-one conversations that a sale happens.
Secondly, go to your show with the intention of meeting other artists and growing your peer group. Discuss the exhibit with other artists, and exchanging ideas and insights is invaluable. Be sure to share your information with the other artists and follow each other on social media. Growing your peer group is one of the most important resources you will have on the road to becoming a full-time artist. In fact, through the years, some of my most valued friendships came from meeting other like-minded artists at shows.
Also, take photos when you're at the show. You can use these photos on your social media to continue to promote the show after the opening. Continuing the promotion after the opening and through the duration of the show gives you more opportunity to sell your work. Some ideas for photos that you can use to further promote your show are of the artwork in the venue, of people admiring your work, and of you at the show. Celebrate your own public events.
Yeah. And finally, as a point of etiquette, be sure to shout out the venue that you're showing at, whether it's a restaurant, bar, or a gallery. Tag them. Let them know that you appreciate the opportunity.
It's a good point.
This is a social skill that takes time to build. It's okay to feel awkward, and you learn a lot from watching how other artists interact with their clients and how they speak publicly about their work. It's a learning experience. Finally, remember to invite your friends and family. It's much easier to show up to an event with company, especially with that one friend who is totally outgoing.
So if you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the notification button so that you'll know when our next video comes out, and leave us a comment. I personally answer all of them. We love hearing from you.
So stay creative and don't give up. The world needs more artists.